Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 773. Title of today's lesson is the difference between sigh, grunt, and groan. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot right now. Let's get right to it. All right, now a sigh is a loud exhale, like so you're breathing air out of your mouth to express disappointment, boredom, tiredness, relief, etc. Okay, a grunt is a low sound, tends to be short too. Usually because one is annoyed or not interested in something. A groan is a low moaning, so it's more painful sound to express pain, grief, or being upset about something. And we got 8 examples here to give you a better feel of when you're more likely to use one than the other. So here, the first one is the A-B part. A says, your son failed his English test again. And B is like, I went over this material with him for several hours. What happened? Okay, number 2. Of course, we have a sigh first, like, we covered articles on this topic so many times before. So this is probably more like the boredom. You're bored with it, or maybe even disappointed too. Combination of both. Number 3, again, another sigh, like, more like that. Thank God we made it on time. It's more like the relief one, like, we're almost going to be late or something, we're going to miss our train or a plane or something like that. All right, number 4, again, a sigh. This is the tiredness one, of course, like, I'm so tired, I need a nap. And you might even do it with a little bit of a yawn, like, you might even hear somebody do it kind of that way. Number 4, grunt. All right, now grunts tend to be short, especially annoyed. Could be a little crossover with boredom. So that's why this one's like, not again. That is so boring. It's kind of annoying. There can be several different types of grunts. And number 6, again, not interested in something. I hate doing that. Kind of like that. All right, now groan tends to be stretched out a little bit more. It tends to be a little bit more painful. So it's like, I really miss my dog. Why did he have to die? Something like that. Or like, they had to let me go at a time that we really needed more money. So to let someone go, of course, that he got fired. Probably, and they probably need a lot of money, and they needed even more money than they had before, and now they got fired, so they will have even less money. So of course you might let out a painful, like, sort of a groan. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope this gives you a better feel of how you use one and how you use the others. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.